Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. I'm a ketogenic lifestyle coach and school psychologist. And tonight we're going to talk about a technique and strategy that will help you to structure better your ketogenic lifestyle and diet and certainly help you with sustainability ongoing. And that is creating a meal calendar. Your key to staying on track with your ketogenic lifestyle. Starting on a ketogenic lifestyle is an exciting journey forward with better health, increased energy, and often weight loss. However, sticking to this high-fat, moderate protein, low-carb diet can sometimes be challenging, especially if you're new to it or if life gets busy. One powerful tool to help you stay on track is a meal calendar, a simple yet effective way to visually organize your meals and ensure you're meeting your keto goals. Well, let's talk about why you would need specifically a meal calendar. A meal calendar serves as a roadmap for your daily eating habits. It not only helps you plan what you're going to eat, but it also keeps you focused on your goals. By having a visual representation of your meals, you can, number one, help to stay organized. Life can be hectic, and it's easy to lose track of what you've planned to eat. A meal calendar provides a clear outline of your week, making it easier to organize shopping trips, prepping meals, and avoiding last-minute unhealthy choices. Number two, the meal calendar helps ensure nutritional balance. With a meal calendar, you can plan your meals to ensure that you're getting the right balance of fats, proteins, and carbs. This is especially important on the ketogenic lifestyle and diet, where maintaining the correct macronutrient ratios is crucial for staying and maintaining ketosis. Number three, it helps you avoid decision fatigue. Deciding what to eat every day can be mentally exhausting at times, leading to poor food choices. By planning your meals in advance, you eliminate the need for daily decision making, which can help you stick to your diet more easily. Number four, reduce waste and save money. The meal calendar can help you with planning your meals ahead of time. It helps you shop more efficiently, reducing food waste and saving money. You'll buy only what you need for the meals you've planned, cutting down on impulse purchases. Now, how do you create your meal calendar? Well, creating a meal calendar doesn't have to be complicated. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Number one, choose your format. Decide whether you prefer a physical calendar, a digital one, or even a meal planning app. The key is to choose a format, everyone, that you'll consistently use. Number two, plan your week. Start by planning your meals for the week ahead. Consider your schedule and plan meals that are easy to prepare on busy days. Include a variety of foods to keep your meals interesting and ensure a balanced diet. Number three, focus on keto-friendly meals. Ensure that all your meals align with your keto diet and lifestyle, high in healthy fats, moderate in proteins, and low in carbs. Include a mix of easy-to-make recipes and perhaps a new dish or two to keep things interesting. And for all practical purposes, all you really need throughout the week is 5 to 7 dishes and preparations and recipes. And that's really all you need. You can mix and match and rotate. And usually people with keto that find the most success keep their recipes and meals simple. Now, number 4, the meal calendar can help you prep ahead. Use your meal calendar to identify opportunities for meal prep. For example, if you're planning to have grilled chicken 3 times this week, cook it all at once and store it in the fridge. This saves time and ensures you have healthy options ready to go. Number 5, incorporate flexibility. While a meal calendar is a great tool, life can be often unpredictable. Build in some flexibility by planning for leftovers or having a couple of backup meals that you can easily swap in if plans change. So, making your meal calendar work for you is very important in terms of your comfort level and what you like to do in terms of your structure. The success of a meal calendar lies really in its consistent use. Place your physical calendar somewhere visible, like your kitchen, or set reminders on your phone. If you're using a digital format, involve your family or housemates if you share meals, so everyone is on the same page. Remember, the goal of a meal calendar is to make your keto journey easier, more organized, and more enjoyable. By taking the time to plan and visualizing your meals, you're setting yourself up for success, ensuring that you stay on track and continue to enjoy the benefits of the ketogenic lifestyle. So grab your calendar, start planning, and take the guesswork out of your meals. Your future self will thank you. And there you are. Hope you found this discussion helpful. And please leave any questions or comments below this video. I would be truly honored if you chose to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for doing that. Again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida, and we'll speak again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.